How to add beneficiary to PNC Bank account. To add a beneficiary to your PNC Bank account, you will typically need to follow these steps. So visit the PNC Bank website and log in to your online banking account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the transfers or payment section. This is where you will find options related to your adding beneficiaries. Look for an option that allows you to add a new payee or beneficiary. This might be labeled differently depending on the specific layout of PNC Bank's online banking platform. Fill in the required information for the beneficiary. Double check all the information you have entered to ensure it's accurate. After submitting the request, you may need to wait for a confirmation from PNC Bank. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.